If your vehicle is showing a U0121 code, in this video, I'll explain what it means and how to fix it. What is a U0121 code? It stands for Lost Communication with Anti-Lock Braking System Module. Basically, your vehicle's ABS module is an electronic controller that works with the ABS pump to prevent the wheels from locking up during hard braking. When you slam on the brakes, the ABS system quickly pulses the brakes to keep the tires from locking, helping you maintain control of the vehicle. When this code appears, it means the main computer has lost communication with that ABS module. The cause could be electrical, wiring related, or an internal module failure, and it'll need to be diagnosed to find out why. Symptoms of a U0121 code. If you're seeing this code, you'll probably also notice warning lights on the dashboard, like the ABS or ESP lights, and possibly some braking or traction control issues. And of course, when you scan the system for trouble codes, you'll see U0121 stored. Possible causes of a U0121 code. First, make sure there aren't any blown fuses, because a blown fuse can definitely cause this issue. Which fuse to check will depend on your specific vehicle, so it's a good idea to look at a wiring diagram or your owner's manual. But the very first step is to go through your fuses and make sure none are blown. Next, check that the battery is fully charged and that there are no charging system problems. All of the vehicle's computer modules rely on a steady power supply. If the battery is weak, or if the alternator isn't charging properly, it can cause all kinds of communication errors. So, take a minute to make sure your battery and charging system are both in good shape. After that, the next thing to check is the ABS control module itself. There are a few different ways to test it depending on your tools. If you have a good OBD2 scan tool, you can run some tests to see if the ABS module is responding and communicating properly. So the next step would be to inspect and test that ABS control module. One thing to keep in mind is to inspect the connector going to the ABS module. If that connector has any kind of issue, a loose pin, poor connection, open or short circuit, it can cause the same symptoms as a bad ABS control module. You can disconnect it, blow it out with compressed air, and then reconnect it to make sure it's clean and seated properly. It's also a good idea to inspect the wiring harness for any physical damage. Sometimes things like rodents can get in there and chew on the wires, or the insulation can wear down over time. So take a close look at all the wiring going to and from that ABS module and make sure everything looks good. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.